In today's video, we will show you how to add administrators in Teams Manager. After installing the app, you automatically are the first administrator. To add more administrators, navigate to the Teams Manager app and open the Settings. Under number 4, Maintenance, choose Administrators. Here you will see a list of all current Teams Manager administrators. Click on Add an administrator and search for the user or users that you want to become admins. They will be able to change settings, create templates, and set up governance policies and naming conventions. You can also remove an admin by clicking the small X symbol next to their name. If you have more questions about setting up Teams Manager, simply book a personal demo with our experts at solutions2share.com and we will gladly help you out.